Have you ever looked up at the night sky and just wondered, where did all of this come from? Why are we here? For as long as humans have existed, we've asked these same huge questions. Well, today, we're going on an epic journey to find some answers. We're going to travel from the very first moment of creation, all the way to this fragile blue marble we call home. Let's rewind the clock. Way back, about 13.8 billion years ago. Modern science can take us back to an unimaginably small instant. But before that, things get weird. Our laws of physics just stop working. Concepts like time and space as we know them don't even exist. Was it a ripple in a quantum field? A collision of universes? We don't know for sure, but what we do know is that our universe had a beginning, and what a beginning it was. It's called the Big Bang. But don't picture a huge explosion in space. It was the expansion of space itself. In a flash, everything was created. Space, time, matter, and energy. In that first chaotic second, the fundamental forces of nature split apart. Tiny subatomic particles popped into existence, and something incredible happened. For every billion particles of antimatter, there was one extra particle of matter, just one. That tiny imbalance is the reason anything exists today. It's why you and I are here. Right after this, the universe went through a phase called cosmic inflation, expanding faster than the speed of light. This smoothed everything out, creating the vast, uniform cosmos we see today. For the next 380,000 years, the universe was a super-hot, foggy soup of particles. Light was trapped, but as the universe expanded and cooled, atoms finally formed. Protons captured electrons, and suddenly, light was free to travel. That first burst of light is still all around us. We call it the cosmic microwave background. It's like a baby picture of the universe. Back then, only the lightest elements existed. Mostly hydrogen and helium. All the heavier stuff, like the carbon in your body or the gold in jewelry, had to be cooked up later, inside stars. After the lights came on, the universe entered what we call the cosmic dark ages. There were no stars, no galaxies, just endless clouds of gas floating in the dark. It took hundreds of millions of years for gravity to slowly pull this gas together, until finally, the pressure and heat became so intense that the first stars ignited. These were massive, brilliant giants, and they completely transformed the cosmos. They lit up the darkness and started forging heavier elements. When they died in spectacular explosions, they seeded the universe with the raw materials needed for planets and, eventually, life. But these stars and galaxies didn't just pop up randomly. There was an invisible architect at work. Dark matter. We can't see it, but it has gravity, and it outweighs all the normal matter we can see by more than 5 to 1. It formed a massive cosmic web, a scaffolding that pulled matter together into the beautiful galaxies and clusters we observe today, including our own Milky Way. Fast forward to about 4.6 billion years ago, in a quiet corner of that Milky Way, a cloud of gas and dust left over from an old star collapsed. At its center, a new star ignited. Our sun. The leftover materials swirled around it, clumping together to form planets, moons, and asteroids. The early Earth was a hellish, molten world, constantly bombarded by asteroids. Then, a truly cataclysmic event happened. A planet-sized object slammed into Earth, and the debris from that collision formed our moon. This was a crucial moment. The moon stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us a more stable climate. As our planet finally cooled down, water began to collect on its surface, maybe delivered by comets or bubbling up from inside the Earth. The oceans formed, and this set the stage for the greatest miracle of all. Around 3.8 billion years ago, in those primordial waters, life began. We're still figuring out exactly how, but simple. Self-replicating molecules evolved into the first living cells, and life didn't just survive. It reshaped the entire planet, pumping oxygen into the atmosphere and paving the way for more complex organisms. After billions of years of evolution, mass extinctions, and the long reign of the dinosaurs, a new kind of creature emerged. A species capable of looking back at the cosmos and trying to understand it all. Whos. We are in a very real sense, the universe becoming aware of itself. Every atom in our bodies was forged in the heart of a star. We are stardust, and the story isn't over. Our universe is still expanding, faster and faster, pushed by a mysterious force called dark energy. It reminds us how precious and rare our little world is. This journey, from the first spark of creation to the rise of consciousness, shows us that we are deeply connected to the cosmos. Thanks for joining me on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.